Pickleball isn't just a game anymore. It's a global phenomenon. And for makers, it's one of the biggest opportunities in years. Introducing the Pickleball Pen Kit, designed for everyone, from master woodturners to those who just want to create the perfect gift. We've built the excitement of the court into every detail. The finial features a classic pickleball. The clip shows a paddle in motion, and the nib? It's etched with player-inspired motifs. The best part? You choose how to build it. We've included all the parts you need to create your unique pickleball pen. Experienced turners can craft their own custom barrels on a lathe. But if you don't have a shop, no problem. With our ready-made carbon fiber blanks, you can skip the lathe entirely. These ready-to-assemble kits allow you to create a professional, high-end pen in minutes, using just a simple pen press. Whether you're making these for your local club, gifting them to your favorite doubles partner, or selling them at the next tournament, these pens hit the mark. For over 23 years, Wood Turnings has been a leader in the craft industry, right here in Noblesville, Indiana. We provide the parts, the premium blanks, and the easy-to-follow instructions. You provide the creativity. Join our Kickstarter today. By backing us now, you get early access to these kits, special pricing, and exclusive rewards. The court is calling. Let's create something great together and be among the first to craft or own this one-of-a-kind pen.
Act now to save up to 30% on these exclusive Kickstarter bundles from Wood Turnings.